Good morning and welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning children. How are you all children? I am sure you are fine at home. Children, now it's time for your next exam, that is annual exam. Will be in the month of February. So today I am going to teach grammar way for standard 3 students. Today's lesson is lesson number 14. This is also very important lesson. Let's see what is there in this lesson. Today's lesson is simple past tense. Today we are going to read about the time which is already over in this lesson. That is called simple past tense in English. A sentence that talks about an action which happened in the past is said to be in the simple past tense. Means when we are talking about an action which is already over or the time has already gone, that shows that that sentence is in the past form. Two examples I have written here, children. Father opened the window to let the bird out. They sailed all the way to the Maldives last month. Here you can see the action opened and sailed are having ed to them. Open also having ed opened, sail also having ed sailed. This verb having ed to them shows that the words are in the past tense, because when the verb have ed to them, that means the action had already over. It is not going on now, it is already over in the past. That shows that the sentence is in past tense. Now, I fell off the swing and hurt my ankle. Here, I fell. Past form of fall, F-A-L-L, fall, past form is fell. This shows that he had already fall, or I have already fall from the swing and hurt my ankle. The F-E-L-L, fell, is the verb which is in the past tense. Second one is our team practiced hard to win the match. Here also verb practice, P-R-A-C-T-I-A-C, practice having D to it. Practiced means our team not practicing now, it had practiced in the past. So the verb shows that this sentence is in the past tense. Third one, my father went to Puri last month. Here go is the present form. When we write the sentence in past form, that time we use went to show that the action or my father has gone to Puri last month, not now. So to show that it happened in the past, we have to write the past form of go. Past form of go is went. My father went to Puri last month. Next one is my younger sister slept in the car. Sleep, you know children, S-L-E-E-P, sleep is present form or the present tense. When we want to show that action happened in the past, that time you have to change the present tense of the verb into past tense. My younger sister slept in the car. Now children, this lesson is over. How to change a sentence or a word or action word from present form to past form, and some examples are here in this lesson. Also I have given to you. Now it is time to do the exercise part of this lesson. Fill in the blanks with verb from the box. One has been done for you. Children, one help box is here. All the words or the action word or the verb are in past form. We have to write the correct word in the blank space in the given question below. The referee ordered the player to remain calm. Ordered, present tense is order, past tense is ed, ordered. Prakash won a silver medal in the 100-meter race. W-I-N, win, past tense is won. Because you have to write in past form, the win past tense is won. Sanjay dressed up a batsman for the fancy dress competition. Here also, D-R-E-S-S, dress is present form, past form is D-R-E-S-S-E-D, dressed. The clock struck, S-T-R-U-C-K, struck 12 as we crossed the toll. Means the clock struck, means you know, the clock generally when we see that clock is showing a particular time, that time it struck repeatedly. Strike is the present form, past form is S-T-R-U-C-K, struck. Now bit number B, fill in the blanks with the simple past tense form of the verb in the bracket. One has been done for you. Here I have written all the answers for you children. You see, bracket, some options are given. That verb is in present form, you have to write in the past form. I dash, bracket B, unwell last week. B past tense is was. I was unwell last week. We dash, bracket attend a concert last Saturday. Means I am talking about not this Saturday, last Saturday. That means the sentence will be in the past tense. So attend past tense is attended. We attended a concert last Saturday. Third one, Ankita dash, bracket buy this dress when she was in Italy. So buy past tense is bought. Ankita bought this dress when she was in Italy. New Delhi, bracket host the 2010 Commonwealth Game. Host past tense is hosted. New Delhi hosted the 2010 Commonwealth Game. Fifth one, we dash wait, bracket wait for 45 minutes for our bus yesterday. Wait past tense is waited. We waited for 45 minutes for our bus yesterday. The doctor dash, bracket check the patient's pulse. Check past tense is checked. The doctor checked the patient's pulse. Third one, rewrite the sentence using the simple past tense. One has been done for you. Mukesh worked at a cafe after his college hour. Here we have to write the past form of the verb work. Mukesh worked, ed, worked at a cafe after his college hour. Second one, Mrs. Sharma teaches us English. Teaches past tense is taught. Mrs. Sharma taught us English. Third one, Anjali writes a letter to her grandmother. Writes past tense is wrote. So sentence will be Anjali wrote a letter to her grandmother. Fourth one, Priya works with an animal welfare organization. Works past tense is worked, ed. Priya worked with an animal welfare organization. Bit number C is over. This lesson is over children. So my request to you children, please watch this video again, this lesson number 14, very important for you children, because unless you understand how a word changes from present to past form, you cannot write in the exam. It is better try to clear your doubt by watching it thoroughly at home. Now you are having enough time at home, so please go through each and every line, every sentence, whatever I am saying here in this video, so that it will be helpful for you to understand this lesson. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for staying at home so whole year, and it is final hour now. Any time we are going to meet in the class. If blessings of God is there, very soon we will be in the next meeting or next year or next class. We will directly have contact. We have direct contact in the classroom. We pray to God that He brings this good time for us in the future. Till then, stay at home, stay safe children, and prepare for your final exam. Bye bye children.